ẹ kú jókòó ṣé kí n má bọ̀ ni. Ó ṣiṣẹ́ dáadáa gbogbo alẹ́ àfàtọ̀. Àwọn òkú nígbà gbọ́ wọn ti ní kọ́sítọ́mọ̀ mi. Bọ̀dá kí ẹ kú ìgbádùn àwọn market náà. Artist ṣé kí n má gbá gbogbo ni na original gbé dáadáa alẹ́ àfàtọ̀. Okay now.
Atakoro.
Oga.
Yes, the jack for that Corolla.
Oga.
I've been shouting since yesterday.
Oga, the jack don't disappear. Maybe na spirit thief am.
Thief bo.
Na well done for you.
Yeah, come madam.
I think Peju.
How market? How market?
Market dey, we thank God. For Baba Legba, wetin happen so? This one wey you squeeze face like clothes wey dem put inside basket. I sure say na hunger. Better one.
Oh, nothing. Wo bí tí n bá kúlẹ̀ báyìí, tẹ́mi pa mi tí n bá kúlẹ̀, tí n bá gbóhùn ọbẹ̀ rẹ̀ lásán, màá ṣe kiri màá tají.
Baba Legba tèmi nìkan. That's why I like you. I forgive you extra food today o. But no, Aunty Peju no dey mood.
Peju, come give me special amala or fufu with extra mama aláwọ̀ tó kákò wáyé.
Tó ti mú ata.
Tó ti mú ta.
Baba Legba, I get everything.
Aunty Peju, please add 1 bottle of mineral. And na inspiration I dey find for this my suffering.
Abeg go. Now you wan take that mineral or another person?
Na me.
You know what another thing?
No. Na
You know what another thing?
mineral.
Dey craze. You wan use my own coke? May I use my own money, my sweat, take buy. You wan use am get inspiration? Dey mad. Abeg, make I ask you something. The one wey you owe me before, you don pay me?
I go pay.
You go pay. Nonsense boy. Wan take inspiration with my own money.
Hey, Mode!
See yourself.
Alágbèrè ti lókè wẹ́dọ̀m. Baba Legba.
Ramota.
Baba Legba.
Ramota. How market?
Fine o. Fine.
Ramota, wait. Wetin you miss with that Agbo last week? Mubi, Atakoro gbẹlura báyìí. Níṣẹ́ ló ń kà ló ń jẹ́wọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tó ṣe. Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀?
Wọ́n àbí kúkọ́ mọ́ jẹ́wọ́ ẹsẹ̀. Dá Agbo na Agbo gidi na song Agbo. Ọmọdé ló ṣe na ọmọdé náà. Náà.
Make we use that Agbo to test who thief the jack. Baba Legba.
Chairman, you are welcome.
Hold it. Where is the generator wey we drop here yesterday?
Jesu. Atakoro.
Oga. I don't know anything about generator. Maybe na spirit.
Spirit kẹ̀. O lè tó wá fọmọ sẹ́yìn ẹbí. Na so. I talk am sef.
Ẹ wo bí gbogbo ẹ̀. Wetin I know be say nobody will go anywhere until we find out this generator.
A few moments later.
Atakoro.
Oga.
Gbà lọ́wọ́ mi jọ.
Drink am.
Drink now. Abojú wo oko.
Okay now. Wetin happen?
Just wait. Thank you.
Today I talk am.
Oga. Make I talk to you.
Today I talk am.
Na me thief the generator.
I talk am.
You thief generator?
Oga, I swear, na mistake you. I think say na scrap. I don't use am do my mama naming ceremony.
Hey.
Atakoro, you take person generator, go do your mama naming ceremony. Wait. Oh, you use the generator take power jollof rice for your mama naming ceremony. I don't know.
Hey. You use the chairman generator do your mama ceremony, abi? No wahala. You go use engine hall do community service for 1 week.
So now my generator you go use do your mama naming ceremony, abi?
Na mistake. I beg Oga, no first. I fit pay with labor and loyalty.
Loyalty kẹ ẹ kúkú já sọ̀rọ̀ lé fún pẹ̀lú small plugging ayé bèrè bàjẹ́ nù.
God bless you.
Oga, mo na wait. I get one better koboko for my shop. I go bring am now.
God bless you.
God bring am. Because the koboko wey you wan use, I know that one no concern me. Make I see my generator here, make I carry am go.
A few minutes later.
Aunty Peju, ẹ ṣeun.
Ẹ ṣeun. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe tán pẹ́ fẹ́ ọmọ tó mú ata. Tó mú ata.
Òun máa ta lóòótọ́, òun ló kátà dání. God bless you. Nínú ọgbà yìí, every day na new episode, no matter how hot. Èmi Baba Legba, èmi náà sì ní plug yín, n kò lè blow láéláéláé.
Baba Legba.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Wahala TV Plus. Like, comment, and share.